Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a little, I say little, it's actually quite a large ALDI haul. We haven't been in the past kind of 10 days to 2 weeks, we've kind of just been topping up as we go. So we needed quite a lot of stuff. It's quite a hefty one and it's in no particular order because I literally just scrambled it all in because I forgot to take my bags in. I had to do it all at the car. So yeah, it's a bit of a dash, but let's get to it. First things first, I have two pizzas. I have the margarita and I also have this one, which is a new one. I've not seen this before and it says it's new on top as well. And it's the Sri Lankan chicken, which I'm very excited about. This has Sri Lankan inspired chicken with coconut and curry sauce, turmeric and a chili base. I have some lamb mince here. I get this all the time for burgers. I have some muffins here, just some regular bread rolls. We have some safari snacks. I'm sorry if the camera is in and out of focus. It tends to struggle a little bit lately. I also have some beef mince. I get the 15% fat. I've stopped getting the really low in fat one recently. I'll show you that in a moment because I've got some Halloweeny stuff that I wanted to share with you. So I'll pop that in one area and show you that at the end. But I have some sweetener here, which I very rarely pick up, but I thought I'd grab some. I have a garlic bread baguette. I have some fresh parsley here. I have a cucumber, very important. I have some dark brown sugar and some fresh coriander, followed by a nice couple of big beef tomatoes. I love these for slicing up the burgers, roasting, all sorts. I have some mixed peppers, which do not contain a green. I have a couple of packs of these actually. One's in here, but these are just the digestive biscuits. I also have some chicken breast diced, another lamb mince, some sausages. These are the reduced fat. We really like them, so we don't see the point in getting the regular fat ones just because we like them and feel like it might be a bit better for us. We also have a large roasting chicken here. We like these ones with the black label, really good quality. I have an aubergine and I also have 2 tubs of plant cream. Andrew's lactose intolerant and honestly I normally get these from Tesco and they're not the cheapest, so to find them in Aldi is amazing. I also have some garlic here, some olive oil. This is just the vegetable oil actually, sorry. And I also have a premium what's this called? Vanilla essence or extract? Yeah, vanilla extract. So we'll give that a go and see how it is. I have some chicken seasoning and finally a jar of chicken paste. That is bag number 1. In bag number 2 we have some more 15% beef mince. We also have some fresh rosemary, some garlic bread slices. We get the regular and the reduced fat. I also have some crumpets, which I have a feeling I'm going to be having for lunch in a moment. I got my grated cheese, which comes pre-grated. It's ideal for when I do a cheese and onion pie, so I picked up one of those. And I also have a jar of oregano as well. So I have a loaf of Robinson's bread, some Kinder Bueno. We have some chicken nuggets. I got 2 packs of those. These are just handy for a quick lunch for the kids. We also have some ham, some smoked pancetta. Actually, it's unsmoked. I meant to grab smoked, but that's okay. Corn flour, which is something I use a lot to make custard and other things, and creme messaline. So yeah, check out Aldi if you're ever looking for corn flour or corn starch. We have some mini apples, another aubergine. We have the pink stuff come across for the first time. We also have some light mature cheddar and some smooth peanut butter as well. This is actually really delicious. I really like Aldi smooth peanut butter. Okay, so now we have some honey yogurt. We have some tomato and basil sauce, some light soft brown sugar, a butternut squash, some cacao powder, which I use a lot for baking. The other pack of biscuits that I mentioned earlier is here. I got some eggs as well. We got a chocolate cake, which Harrison really loves his chocolate cake, so we picked that up for him on the occasion. We also have some sausage rolls here that Layla likes in her lunchbox and some cocoa rice. This bag looks like it has a lot in it. So I have some grapes here, some blackberries, some more sausages, some more mature cheddar. This is just the regular. I have some figs, which I've been really enjoying on my porridge and in cheese sandwiches and things like that. I have some lemons here, and this is really interesting. I found this rainbow rice, which is just shredded vegetables with a ricey consistency, which I thought was fantastic. So I picked up one of those to give it a try. I have some squirty cream here, 2 cartons of Pastica. Oops. I also have some mascarpone ready sauce, some oranges, because believe it or not guys, I've run out of oranges, which is insane. I have some raspberries as well, flat mushrooms that I like to have with steak. I also have some brown onion, some lime, some Granny Smith apples. I prefer Granny Smith to Golden Delicious. We also have some cheese strings for Layla's lunch boxes, 2 packs of the bourbon, chocolate bourbon biscuits, 2 packs of the microwavable basmati rice, which is just so handy, especially now I'm running of an evening. We also have some wonky blueberries, which I haven't picked up blueberries in the longest time, so I thought I would get some. And I got some 4 cheese tortellini, and finally another pack of ham. Alright, so I have some groovy biscuits, a pack of Yorkshire puddings, I have 2 packs of the pigs in blankets. Layla's going to be thrilled that we picked these up. Another pack of ham, a ready-made tuna pasta bake. This is just again ideal for a quick lunch. I have 2 packs of, it came in one, but it's 2 packs of back bacon. I also have some diced lamb that I'm going to make a curry with. I have another pack of the premium Yorkshire puddings as well. 2 cod loin fillets, some diced chicken breast. I also have some skinless and boneless chicken thighs, which I use to make the kids' homemade chicken nuggets. I have another mini breast fillet. I have some pancetta. This is the, not pancetta, sorry, the prima parma ham. I also have another pack of 15% beef mince. I have some garlic infused oil, which is such a fantastic product. You should definitely get it for a quick spag bowl. I also have another tuna pasta bake, and a lighter creme fraiche, and a pack of Kinder eggs. Final bag before I show you the Halloweeny stuff. I have some full fat milk, some apple juice, some smooth orange juice, 3 cartons of lactose free milk, which we get from Aldi for the most part because I found it's the best price and it tastes delicious. We also have 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 1 pack or jar of bratwurst, 1 Zaflora, of course, this is in the pink grapefruit, and finally a tuna can stack. Finally, the last part of the haul, I got these mixed coloured, I don't know what you would call these, are they squash? I'm not 100% sure, but they look like mini pumpkins. So I got this rather big one, which is in an orange. I got this beautiful pale yellow, because I haven't really seen one this colour before. This greeny, funky one here, and this gorgeous Casper pumpkin, or ghost pumpkin, whatever they call it. I also got some cupcake cases, so I can make the kids some Halloween cupcakes. I just got some black and white, because they'll do for any time really. But then I also got these ones here, which are a bit more kind of festive, with this gorgeous pumpkin and ghost design. And then finally, speaking of decoration, I picked these up. Now, I'm pretty sure these are meant to go in like a bunch of flowers, but you could put them anywhere. They're $1.49, and these little stick decorations, which you can put into soil, or you could put into plant pots, or you could just stick them around the house. We have this bat one, which is really cute. We also have this ghost one and this pumpkin, which says boo. We have this one here, which says happy Halloween, and there's a little spider's web, and then this one here with a witch that says trick or treat. And we're gonna just pop these like in the porch, the fireplace, and just scatter them around the house and make it look a little bit more festive, soon as the kids won't be going out trick-or-treating this year. And wow, what a task. So I'm gonna get to finishing putting it away, but we spent a grand total of £150.08, which I think is pretty decent considering the amount that we got. And also we got like the decorations and other things that weren't necessarily essential. If I'm being completely honest, we're likely to also do a Tesco shop for branded things that we like that we can't necessarily get from Aldi, and we're likely to spend about £70–80 there, depending on if we need like cleaning stuff like tablets, dishwasher tablets, not dishwasher, I wish, washing machine. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to see more grocery hauls from me, and of course subscribe to see a lot of this food eaten and consumed throughout my what I eat in days, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.